Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khurram Shehzad. Today I'm going to show you how to install or upgrade hard drive in NVR or DVR security systems. Installing a hard drive in security system is easy. For this demonstration purpose, I will be installing 2 TB SATA hard drive in 4-channel Zosi NVR system. Hard drive recommendations. Recommended rational speed for hard drive is 5400 RPM, but 7200 RPM should work fine too. It is recommended to have 1 TB hard drive for 4-channel camera system and 2 TB for 8 cameras. That should give you 3 weeks of continuous recording. Tools you need. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to have hard drive and mounting screws ready before starting installation. Before we begin to install hard drive, make sure to unplug all the cables from the recorder system. First, we need to remove 4 screws, 1 on each side and 2 on the back. Once screws are removed, slide the top cover back and lift up to remove it. Careful of the circuit board, try not to touch it. You will have 2 cables that need to connect to the hard drive. Plug the power and data cable to the hard drive and place it so the screw holes on the hard drive are at the bottom. Now flip the recorder along with the hard drive and align screw holes of the hard drive with the recorder. Tight 4 screws that came with the system. Once hard drive is firmly placed and secured, slide back the top cover of the recorder. Tight 4 screws, 1 on each side and 2 on the back. Now it's time to plug back all the cables. Once the system is boot up, a startup menu will show up on the screen. Click Next and you will see hard drive is recognized by the system. Click on Format box, click Format, then click Yes. Wait for the format to complete. Click OK and now you can start recording. In case the startup menu didn't appear, right click and select System Setup. In General Setup page, select HDD Setup and you should be able to format hard drive from here as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.